Hello folks, I'm Bardia. In this video I show you how to make security tab available on OU properties. If I get properties on any of these OUs, for example on ITOU, you see there are only 3 tabs available: General, Managed by, and Complus. And if I get properties on another OU, for example Servers, Properties, it's the same, and security tab is unavailable. To make security tab available, you need to activate advanced features. By activating advanced features, more features will be available on ADOC, Active Directory users and computers. So I activate it, and now if I get properties on ITOU, you see that there are more tabs, and here is security tab, and you can set more permissions.